back to my channel. Today I am going to do something absolutely interesting. A basket full of Skittles.
Play-doh.
So now I'm going to do the Skittles first. Making the Skittles.
Okay, so you're gonna make a basket full of Skittles?
Yes.
Out of Play-doh, huh?
Yes. Oh yeah.
And the Skittles too.
So we need more Skittles than that because the basket is gonna be big. I don't know how big I'm gonna make it, but it's sure gonna be big.
So you take little pieces out like that first?
Yeah.
Before you roll them?
Yeah.
And what are you doing there?
I'm wrapping it around my finger like I said.
I see. You make it flat and then you wrap it around your finger?
Yes. And then now I'm gonna roll this out. I had to roll this out with this. Where is this guy? Oh, there it is. Okay, now I can like.
What are you making there?
Oh,
pronto?
não pode esta boca.
Tá, não bota na boca.
Okay, the handle's done. I have to
That's the
cut this
handle?
in half.
Okay, so you made the handle for the basket. You roll it like that so you can get a...
I attach it to here.
Attach it to one side of the
Now
basket.
I'm making the Skittles. This guy complains a lot.
Alright, so you keep rolling into balls.
Yeah, I keep rolling it up because Skittles usually look like that. And I finished. Now all I gotta do is put them in. What are you trying to do?
Put all the Skittles in the basket.
Yeah. That's sure a lot of Skittles, right?
Yeah. Now what?
Now I'm going to like
Glue it to one side carefully. And then you bend it.
Done. Now boom.
You
Did it.
You got a basket.
Full basket.